Amazon parrots are parrots in the genus Amazona. They are medium-sized, short-tailed parrots native to the Americas, with their range extending from South America to Mexico and the Caribbean. Amazona is one of the 92 genera of parrots that make up the order Psittaciformes and is in the family Psittacidae, one of 3 families of true parrots. It contains about 30 species. Most Amazons are predominantly green, with accenting colors that depend on the species and can be quite vivid. They feed primarily on seeds, nuts, and fruits, supplemented by leafy matter. Many Amazons have the ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. Partly because of this, they are popular as pets or companion parrots, and a small industry has developed in breeding parrots in captivity for this market. This popularity has led to many parrots being taken from the wild to the extent that some species have become threatened. The United States and the European Union have made the capture of wild parrots for the pet trade illegal in an attempt to help protect wild populations. Feral populations of Amazons can be found in different parts of the world, including in South Africa, Europe, and major cities in the Americas. Most Amazon parrots are predominantly green, with contrasting colors on parts of the body such as the crown, face, and flight feathers. These colors vary by species. They are medium to large-sized parrots, measuring between 23 to 45 centimeters long, and have short, rounded tails and wings. They are heavy-billed, and have a distinct notch on the upper mandible and a prominent naked cere with setae on it. Male and female Amazon parrots are roughly the same size, though males can be larger at times. Most Amazon parrots do not show sexual dimorphism, exceptions being the white-fronted Amazon, Yucatan Amazon, and the turquoise-fronted Amazon, the latter species being sexually dimorphic when viewed in the ultraviolet spectrum, invisible to humans. They can weigh from 190 grams to more than 565 grams. The average body temperature of an Amazon parrot is 41.8 degrees Celsius, or 107.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Their heart rates range from 340 to 600 beats per minute, with 15 to 45 breaths per minute. The exact breeding age of wild birds is not precisely known. For captive-bred birds, the average breeding age is around 4 years, with some larger groups like yellow-crowned Amazons requiring 6 years. Captive birds as old as 30 years have laid eggs. Amazon parrots average 5 weeks for nest initiation, with most successful nestings averaging 2.2 fledglings. Amazon parrots mostly breed during late winter and spring, as they are seasonal breeders. This may happen due to seasonal food availability or a lower chance of flooding, as the period is generally dry. West Indian Amazon parrots tend to breed earlier than Mexican Amazon parrots, with Mexican Amazon parrots having their peak at March to April while West Indian Amazon parrots peak in March. Amazon parrots feed primarily on seeds, nuts, fruits, berries, buds, nectar, and flowers, supplemented by leafy matter. Their beaks enable them to crack nutshells with ease, and they hold their food with a foot. In captivity, the birds enjoy vegetables such as squash, boiled potato, peas, beans, and carrots. Mainland Amazon parrots forage and then feed their young twice a day, usually 1 hour after sunrise and 1.5 hours before sunset, while West Indian Amazon parrots do so 4 to 5 times. Hypotheses proposed for why this is include the nutritional value of food in the region as well as temperature stress. During the downtime before foraging expeditions in the afternoon, Amazon parrots spend their time preening themselves and their mates.